Elder Group Tahoe Real Estate is located in Truckee, California, and we're proudly associated with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Hi, and welcome to 2023. I'm Alison Elder, and let's talk about the Tahoe Truckee real estate market and what it really means as compared to the end of 2021. Well, you know, people are saying the market's crashing, things are changing. Well, I'll tell you, in most of our luxury neighborhoods here in Truckee, in fact, the inverse is true. Prices in almost every neighborhood, including Martis Camp, Lahontan, Shaffer's Mill, Northstar, Old Greenwood, and Grays, the luxury communities I'm going to share with you now, have actually, except for one, gone up, not gone down in pricing. So let's break that down a little bit. What happened in Martis Camp, the luxury of the Truckee-Tahoe environment? Prices actually went up 27.7% over 12/31 of last year, 2021. The average sold price is $8.557 million, up 22%. Days on market, almost the same as 2021 at 44 days on market. 32 properties sold with limited inventory. That was a reduction of a third. And the list to selling price is 97% from list to sale. And a whopping $1,760 a square foot is the average sold pricing. Hopping over to the other DMB community of beautiful gated and prestigious golf in Lahontan. Gosh, what happened? This is the only row community that had a little bit of an adjustment. It dropped 2.3% to $3.712 million. The average list remained within 1%. And the average list price of a home was at $3.922 million. Sold basically at $3.815 million. Couple days extra, about a week extra on market at 59 days. The lowest price, the entry point of Lahontan at $2.515 million, which is few and far between, I might add. And the list to sold was basically essentially the same at 97.3%. Average square price, $932 a square foot, up 8.7% compared to, remember, that whopping luxury DMB community at $1,760 in Martis Camp. Now, if we pop across the road on Shaffer's Mill and we head into the private golf community of Shaffer's Mill, which has both single-family homes as well as a plethora of townhomes, the median sales price for single-family homes was $3.295 million. That was up 5.7%. Average list price, $3.451, up 8.2%. Average days on market are a little bit longer, 67 days on market, but the list to sold pricing was at 99%. So basically, the pricing and the closed price was essentially the same, and the average cost per square foot hopped up over Lahontan to $1,150 a square foot. That's almost 22% higher from $945 a square foot. Okay, now let's go up to the vacation market in Northstar. So the data that I'm going to share with you now is for Northstar Homes, which is the area on the right as you drive into Northstar, the Village, and Mountainside, which is the community that sits beneath the Ritz-Carlton. The median sales price is up 22% at $1.8725 million. The average sold price is $2.188. Average days on market doubled to 56 days on market from 28. The highest sold price was $5.2 million. That was over on the mountainside side of Northstar, just sitting below the Ritz there. Gorgeous house. The lowest price sold is $975,000. 30 properties sold in 2022 compared to 40 in 2021. And really similar to the other communities, list to sold is at 99.8%. Average square foot pricing overall, blending those three communities, is $767 a square foot. It's still up 11.4%. Now, if we go to the other side of Highway 80 and we take a look at Old Greenwood, remember Old Greenwood has fractionals, townhomes, and beautiful single-family homes as well, many with big views. The median sales price was a bit more modest compared to the Martis Valley side at $2.9 million. but up 9.8%. Remember, Elder Group sold the most expensive house at $3.35 million in 2021 in this community. The average sold price was up a modest 5% to 2.681. Days on market, 3 weeks versus 17 days. Top sale, $3,075,000. 4 properties sold in the single-family home market compared to 8 the year prior. And your list to sale is all pretty consistent here in the Truckee-Tahoe luxury market at 99.3%, $877 a square foot. So higher than Northstar in a blended rate, lower than Lahontan, and certainly Martis Camp. Now the sister community that East West built on the south side of 80 is Grace Crossing. So that's a really nice golf community right on the bike paths, nice sized lots, not as large lots as Old Greenwood. The median sales price went up 10.8% to $2.7 million. The average sold price was up 12.1%. Days on market dropped from 28 days on market to 18 in 2022. So that means, we're looking at limited properties available in the luxury communities, and those were snapped up. The highest sold property was 3.495. That was up 9%. 19 properties sold versus 22 in 2021, and the average square foot price is up 11.3% to $835. So think about this sister property of Old Greenwood at $877 a square foot. Gray's is at $835 a square foot. So it's really interesting to see where these communities really sit. So Shaffer's Mill at $945 a square foot. Lahontan at $932 a square foot. First time ever the sold pricing in Shaffer's Mill has been higher than Lahontan. And then of course, Martis Camp is way up there at almost $1,800 a square foot. And then you get these east-west communities, and they're sitting in that mid $800, $850 a square foot range. And then we go over to Northstar with a blended product set certainly there, and prices all over the board depending on the community and the age of the property, and we're sitting at under $800 a square foot. So what's really happening? We have limited inventory. We see price stability in 2023. I see about the same days on market and still a housing shortage here. There's more demand than there is actual supply for the consumers in almost every price range. We are experts in this market. I'll cross the $1 billion line in sales, and I'm ranked in the top 1.3% in the country of agents. I'm Alison Elder with Elder Group Tahoe Real Estate. Contact me anytime. If you'd like to learn more, visit our website at eldergrouptahoe.com.